arise, awake, and achieve. Taking inspiration from one of the greatest thinkers of India, Swami Vivekananda. His life and teachings continue to inspire millions across the world, reminding us that each one of us has unlimited potential if we dare to believe in ourselves. Swami Vivekananda once said, all power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Believe in that. Too often we doubt ourselves. We think we are too weak, too ordinary, or too incapable of achieving greatness. But what Vivekananda taught us that weakness is just an illusion. The real strength lies within our minds. If we can remove the fear and doubt, we can unlock the immense power inside us. Take Vivekananda's own journey as an example. When he traveled to the World Parliament of Religions in Chicago in 1893, he was just a young monk from India. No one knew him. He had no resources, no grand connections. But he had faith in himself and his mission. When he stood up and addressed the audience with his famous words, Sisters and Brothers of America, the entire hall erupted in applause. He owned over the world not with wealth or status, but with courage, wisdom, and self confidence. Life is full of challenges, and sometimes we feel like giving up. But remember another powerful teaching of Swami Vivekananda: take risk in life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. Failure is not the opposite of success, it is a part of journey. If we never try, we'll never know what we are capable of. Every great leader, scientist, artist, and entrepreneur has failed many times before succeeding. The key is to never stop trying. Vivekananda's most famous quote is arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. This is ultimate mantra for success. Nothing great in life comes without hard work, whether in academics, sports, career, or personal growth. We must keep moving forward. Dreams alone are not enough. We must act. Thank you.